जनसमुदाय संसारूपी सागरात बुडत चाललेला आहे. याला तरण्यासाठी उपाय एकच. हस्ताने टाळी वाजवावी, मुखात गजाननाचं नामस्मरण. बंद रामेश्वरी मार्गात एक ग्रस्त भेटला. त्यांनी मला उपदेश केला की भटजी महाराज, जय हनुमान पारंपरिक दशावतार नाट्य मंडळ आरोस दांडे.
Hi, I'm back again here with one more episode of Fish Curries Stories with Nilesh Malkar. And guess where I am? I am at Kudal. Kudal is a place again situated on the coastal areas of this Konkan belt. And here I am going to meet Mr. Sahil Shirsat, who is the owner of this restaurant at the name of Gulmohar, because they are famous for their exclusive Malwani cuisine and the coastal food that they make here with their secret spices. So just wait, guys. I'm just waiting for him outside the restaurant, and here he comes. So,
hello.
Hi, Mr. Shirsat. Yeah. So he is Sahil Shirsat, and he runs this restaurant. He looks after the kitchen. He looks after all those secret spices. So can you tell me what are you actually going to show me today?
Today we are going to show you the tisre sukha, the preparation of tisre sukha in an authentic Malwani style. And also we are going to show you the preparation of prawns curry, which is very popular in our restaurant.
Wow. So he is going to show us the complete recipe with those hidden spices, so my subscribers can see it and also they can make it at their home. No doubt they'll definitely. So he's going to show us the shellfish sukha, that is the shellfish in a dry coconut marination, that we'll go see how it is made. And the another is prawns amti, that is the Colombi amti, that is the prawns curry that they call it. So both these items, their spices and the way of preparation, we are going to watch inside. So please, Mr. Shirsat, let's go inside. Come guys, let's see.
Fish Curry Stories with Nilesh Malkar.
So guys, we are back here in the kitchen of Sahil Shirsat's Gulmohar restaurant, and he's going to show us the secret spices and the secret way of making the Malwani cuisine. The first item that he's going to make. What is the first item that you're going to make?
We are going to make tisre sukha here.
Okay, there is a shellfish in a dry kind of a marination that he's going to make. If audiences can see it, please show them. Okay, so this is shellfish, and he's going to prepare this marination. His chef Shafiq is going to make it in a dry kind of a marination. So we'll just now check how he's going to make it. So can we start?
Yes.
Okay, sir, please start the cooking. So here goes the vessel, which is on fire now. And okay, so you're going to dry roast the onions with a little tablespoon of oil in it. Chopped onion and tomatoes go in. There goes. This is a garam masala, which is with all hard spices like cloves, cardamom, cinnamon, star anise. Then that red chili powder, turmeric, salt, and that one, if you can see it closely, is the Malwani masala. That is again kind of a spices that I told you. On every belt they make a different kind of spices. That is called the Malwani masala, on which this cuisine is cooked. So he is dry roasting it. Look at it. He is not cooked it much. And in goes the shellfish. These are all clean shellfish, properly washed. अच्छा, are they boiled? पहले boil किया हुआ है shellfish को कि कच्चा है?
Boil.
Okay, so these are boiled shellfish. So he's trying to roughly dry roast them. There, look at it. He's trying to saute those shellfish. Remember one thing, they are properly half boiled and cooked. Okay. Now in will go some water. As he's sauteing it, you can see here I'm adding it to him. How much? This was okay? There. Apart from that, he has kept, if you can see, he has kept some grated coconut also here. Acha, so you are going to put direct, try this grated coconut inside it. See, every preparation on every belt has got a very different way. Like there are some people which I had earlier seen, they tried to marinate the whole or maybe try to make a paste of this grated coconut with all those spices and then they try to add it. But here, this raw grated coconut is being pushed in. Now goes in some coriander. Then he let it cook for how much time? Kitna time? Okay, so that this will be now cooked for another 10 minutes till it becomes a little dry and the water evaporates. The shellfish also starts, oozing out little bit of its water out from it. In fact, this is a fish which is very high in calcium. No doubt people say it has got got a cholesterol content in it, but apart from that, it has got a good benefits. Like it is also a very good calcium provider if we consume it. The aroma is very good. Very simple way of making this tichra soup till the water evaporates and it's still cooking. So now we'll wait for another 5-10 minutes till the water evaporates and he has kept it on a very high flame. So it becomes a complete dry. That is what it's called sukko. So we'll wait for it. So the tisra sukko is nearly ready. You can see the water has been evaporated and a complete dry kind of tisra sukko are ready. Here, they go into the plate. As soon as this is done, we'll go for the second item that was told to us. Yeah. So you can see this. See this. So these are the tisra sukko. So we'll wait till the other item, that is the prawns curry, that is being made, and we'll go to the table and then we'll taste this. So now is the preparation of the prawns curry, that what we call is the Kolambichi Amti. So now here what we have is, these are the prawns, freshly cleaned, everything, chopped onion, green chilies, garlic cloves, being chopped in small pieces, coriander, leaves, and this is the magic marination, Malwani masala that is made. This is made with grated raw coconut. Then it has got red chilies in it. It has got coriander seeds in it, a little bit of cumin seeds, and I can also smell a bit of ginger in it. Ginger bhi hai na iske andar. So that's all. So please start. So now we'll start cooking this prawns curry. It's another very fast and very easy kind of a dish, but the whole magic is completely into that marination that has been made. That orange color marination you can see. That is the main. In goes the chopped onions. In goes the green chilies. He's sauteing it. Look at it. Yeah. And now okay, he has cooked the onions not that raw. Okay, now in will go the prawns. Yeah. He's sauteing it again with raw garlic pieces which have been cut into pieces, onion chopped, and prawn. And in will go a little bit of water. Okay, you want to make it a curry. And in goes the aroma of this prawns, stir fried and sauteed in that onion and garlic cloves was absolute. Now goes in the magic marination which I told you earlier of this raw grated coconut with red chilies and onion, ginger and coriander seed. This paste which is adding it this orange color to this prawns curry. In goes this coriander leaves. I'm sorry. And now we'll let it simmer for some time. ये हाई फ्लेम पे ही होगा कि छोटा फ्लेम में होगा? हाई फ्लेम में. अच्छा. There. Now in goes some salt as per taste. He knows the exact measurement for that one portion of this prawns curry. He will let it simmer till a particular time, till the gravy becomes a little slight thick, So it is neither thick, neither watery. That's how the prawns curry is made, which we call as Kolambi Amti. So everybody has got their unique styles of making this fish cuisine on the coastal side. If you have seen all my other episodes, you'll come to know. And you can adapt to one of the best which you like and you can follow this. Acha, he's put in some more of that marination so the gravy thickens, Yeah. In goes some more coriander leaves. And now we'll let it cook for some time. It's done? Cook. And the prawns curry is ready. See if you can see it. Look at the thickness of the gravy, semi-thick. Even the aroma is very nice. I can get the aroma of that coriander paste and the prawns. My God. So I just cannot wait till it comes to my table. I'm going to feast. So come guys, let's go and sit on the table and try to taste this unique recipe again in a very different way that they have made. Come, let's go. So guys, I'm back on the table as I told you, and this exclusive fish recipes have been made by Mr. Sahil Shirsad. Actually, the chef has made it, but it's completely under his guidance because they look after all the spices that are, conveyed into the kitchen, the amount of spices to be put in. So he's very casual about it. तर मला असं वाटतं की तुम्हाला याच्यात अजून मला काही ॲडवाईस करायची आहे या ताटाबद्दल, तुमच्या रेस्टॉरंटबद्दल. तुम्ही चालू कसं केलं, बाबांनी केव्हा चालू केलं, हाऊ यू केम इन टू दिस बिझनेस?
आम्ही हॉटेल बिझनेसमध्ये आत्ता आम्हाला एक 3 वर्ष तरी झाली. तसा आम्हाला एक्सपिरियन्स काहीच नव्हता, पण मी हळूहळू करत हॉटेल बिझनेसमध्ये मी अनुभव घेत आलो आणि तसं शिकत आलो. आणि फिशमध्ये बघितलं तर आता आम्ही बऱ्यापैकी जम बसवलाय. कस्टमर्स, टुरिस्ट फिश खाण्यासाठी स्पेशली आमच्याकडे येतात. ते आमच्याकडे फिश फ्राय असू देत, नाही तर करी असू देत, तिसरे सुका स्पेशली बनवलं. कस्टमरांची पसंती खूप खूप आहे आणि कस्टमर खूप त्याला प्रतिसाद देतात. तुम्ही आता याचा आस्वाद घ्या आणि बघा कसं काय.
सो ॲज यू हर्ड इट, दे आर मोर अँड मोस्टली they are famous in their fish recipes and exclusive recipes that they make here. So guys, you don't forget to visit this Hotel Gulmohar, which is at Kudal. This is exactly Kudal where it is. Can you tell me the location? Maybe I'll put in the pin in the location in my uh, episode in the end, so you people can directly come here and have this feast over here. So guys, I'm going to taste the shellfish dry first. How it was made. You had seen it was made in a very simple way. It was boiled first and all. Absolutely very gentle, aromatic, and very mild in spices, as you had seen the way he had put it, with this grated coconut that comes in as a crunch in between. And you want to taste the prawns curry also. No, I'm going to eat this prawns curry with this rice and also this mix, but that I'll do it later. But before that, I'm going to taste the prawns curry because that is a very important thing to see. Wow. The main marination of that grated coconut being made into a paste with coriander seeds, red chili, and then cumin seeds and ginger. I can get the flavor into this thick kind of a gravy or what we call an humpty that has been made with these prawns which was sorted in a very light way. And see, they're not overcooked also. Very, very soft and raw, juicy. So guys, by the time I have my dinner here today, this is dinner time basically. You wait for my next episode. Till then, bye bye. See you.
Fish Curry Story